In this video, we will go over the Pages panel feature in CaseGuard. First, let's go ahead and pin the panel. We can do so by clicking on the View tab at the top of the page, going to Panels, and Pages. Or we can come to the right side of the page, select Pages, and click on the pin icon up here. Now we can load Pages and see a preview of the entire file. From here, we can select to delete pages, as well as rotate them. Let's go ahead and export this. And now the exported version is 79 pages long instead of the original 82. Let's go back to the original file. We have the option to undo the task we just did under the tasks list by selecting this and deleting it. Let's load the pages again. We also have another feature to extract some pages from the file that we would like by clicking on the Control key on your keyboard and selecting the pages that you would like, and selecting Export Selected Pages, and load pages again. Looks great,